Hello friends, I'm back with exciting DIY with easy product just meant for the treatment of pimple. I take 10 to 15 minutes and wash the leaves very well. Here I took the mint leaf from my garden. You can buy the mint leaf, and if you have mint tree then it will be very good. Put all the leaves in a bowl. With the help of something, crush the leaves and extract the juice. It will be like that. I just crushed, not make a paste. Then add just a 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with the mint paste. Here you can use the fresh aloe vera gel because I don't have aloe vera tree, that's why I use the commercial one. Mix the combination very well for 5 minutes because aloe vera and mint takes few times to mix together. For that, you can take a spoon or something hard to mix the combination very well. I already told my previous video, don't make hurry with any kind of face product or any kind of product that makes in your home for your face. Now, perfectly ready. With a brush, apply it in your whole face, but before that clean your face and then make a double layer in your face where you have pimple and pimple spot. I use 3 to 4 layers over the one layer. Then wait 15 minutes for dry. I wash my face with just lukewarm water. I didn't use the face wash. And then dry your face and apply moisturizer. Here I use the rose water as moisturizer. You can use any kind of moisturizer what is suitable for your skin. If you want, you can keep the pack overnight in your skin. Next morning, wash your face with lukewarm water. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.